Okay, today's video is more for education because I still have people that don't understand what a trigger is, okay? And the way that you make money with my work is setup plus trigger equals trade entry, and then you manage it. So I'm going to give you an example of one of the day trade setups that we had today, and it was in LULU. When LULU pulled back, I thought it was a little bit overdone here. I went and I checked some of my prior swings, ran the retracements, found a general area to look for another buy entry, and then it ended up triggering a trade. So it tested the zone, it pulled back to the zone, it held, and then it triggered an entry. So what's a trigger? Well, a trigger for a day trade can be anything from 1 minute chart, 2 minute chart, 5 minute chart. Some will even use tick charts. In this example, I'm going to show you how to use a 1 minute chart with this particular day trade example. So when it tested this support, what we wanted to see was a moving average crossover to the upside to indicate that we should take a bet or place a bet against that support. And in the process, I also like to see it take out a swing high when you're looking for a buy, because I basically want to see a shift in pattern. You have a pattern of lower lows and lower highs going into this support decision. I want it to switch to higher highs and higher lows, and that's where it started to switch when it took out this prior swing high over here. So when both of these things occurred, then that was essentially your buy signal. Your initial risk would have been defined either underneath the low or underneath the low end of the zone, and and then just take it from there. But since it's a very short-term day trade trigger, you didn't really want to keep it past the end of the trading day. But you did get a nice little bounce off of that area, and that's what we do all day long. I run setups, and you guys look for the triggers that tell you whether or not it's worth placing a bet according to the time frame that you're trading.